हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू अवर चैनल स्टडी लक्ष्य। दोस्तों, अगर आपको कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स के लिए करंट अफेयर्स की ज़रूरत है तो हमारे चैनल पे डे टू डे 1 मंथ ओल्ड करंट अफेयर्स अपडेट किए जाते हैं। जैसे आज के करंट अफेयर्स अगस्त 2020 के हैं, जो लेटेस्ट हैं। तो अगर आप नए हैं तो अभी हमारे चैनल सब्सक्राइब करके यहाँ डे टू डे न्यू न्यू करंट अफेयर्स क्वेश्चन को आप पा सकते हैं और एसएससी, बैंकिंग, पीओ, रेलवे की तैयारी, कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स की तैयारी कर सकते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, विच इंडियन स्टेट हैज़ बिकम द फर्स्ट इन इंडिया टू पास बिल्स फॉर हैविंग 3 कैपिटल्स ऑफ द स्टेट? रिपीट द क्वेश्चन। विच इंडियन स्टेट हैज़ बिकम द फर्स्ट इन इंडिया टू पास बिल्स फॉर हैविंग 3 कैपिटल ऑफ द स्टेट? तो इसका आंसर होगा आंध्र प्रदेश। दोस्तों, आंध्र प्रदेश कैसे? ऑन 31 जुलाई 2020, आंध्र प्रदेश गवर्नर विश्वभूषण हरिचंद्रन approved the AP Decentralization and Inclusive Development of All Region Bills 2020 and AP CRDA Repeal Bill 2020 to make them law and become the first state in India to have 3 capitals. Which country was the chairs of the BRICS Environment Ministers meeting 2020 held recently? Answer is Russia. About this, the 6th edition of the BRICS Environment Ministers meeting was held on 30 July 2020 through a video conference. The conference was held under the presidency of Russia. The World Breastfeeding Week is celebrated annually from 1 to 7 August. The World Breastfeeding Week is marketed every year in the first week of August between 1 to 7 August. The theme of World Breastfeeding Week 2020 is supported breastfeeding for a healthier planet. Which company has emerged as the most valuable companies in the world in terms of MCAP as of 1 August 2020? Answer is Apple. Because technology giant Apple has become the world's most valuable publicly traded company in the world on 31st July 2020, surpassing the state oil giant Saudi Aramco, and the shares of Apple closed up to 10.47% on 31st July, giving it a market valuation of $1.84 trillion. Re-owned politician Amar Singh has passed away at the age of 64. He was a member of Rajya Sabha from which state? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. About this, former Samajwadi Party leader and sitting Rajya Sabha MP Amar Singh has passed away in Singapore, where he was undergoing kidney transplant treatment. He was 64-year-old. Amar Singh, who hailed from Aligarh district of Uttar Pradesh, was elected to the Rajya Sabha for the first time from Uttar Pradesh in 1996 and got re-elected in 2003. Name the first chess player who has clinched silver medal in the 2020 Beale International Chess Festival held in Switzerland. And the answer is Pentala Harikrishna. Hemd Bakayoko has been appointed as the new Prime Minister of which country? Answer is Ivory Coast. Reliance Power and Japanese energy major JERA has signed loan agreement with a group of banks to set up 745 megawatt natural gas fired thermal power generation project in which country? And the answer is Bangladesh. Rajat Bhatia, Indian sports star, has recently announced his retirement from which state? Answer is which sport? Answer is cricket. Domestic all-rounder Rajat Bhatia has announced his retirement from all form of cricket. The 40-year-old Bhatia started his first-class career with Tamil Nadu in 2003 and 2004. but played most of cricket in off for Delhi. In the Indian Premier League (IPL), has he was part of title-winning Kolkata Knight Riders in 2012. What was the profession of Sonam Sharing Ipcha, who has passed away recently? Answer is musician. In musician, folk musician. Folk musician and Padma Shri awardee Sonam Sharing Lepcha passed away due to old age ailments. He was 92. Sonam Sharing Lepcha was born in Kalimpong, West Bengal. How many total states have been integrated with the One Nation One Ration Card plan of the central government till date? Answer is 24. About this answer, 4 additional states, namely Jammu Kashmir, Manipur, Nagaland, and Uttarakhand, has been to the One Nation One Ration Card scheme, has been integrated with the One Nation One Ration Card plan of the central government. With this, now a total of 24 states and connected under One Nation One Ration Card effective from 1 August 2020. The mpay.me is a personalized UPI powered payment link service launched by which company to let user send and receive money on any UPI payment app. First of all, it will start from Vodafone mpay, and another is the answer of this question is MobiKwik, who has been appointed as the new private secretary to Prime Minister Narendra Modi on co-terminus basis. Answer is Hardik Satish Chandra Shah, HSS, Secretary of Prime Minister Modi. Hardik Satish Chandra Shah, a 2010 batch IAS officer from Gujarat cadre, has been appointed as the private secretary to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Shah has been appointed on co-terminus basis. Who has won the Formula One British Grand Prix 2020? Answer is Lewis Hamilton. Repeat the answer, Lewis Hamilton. About this question, Lewis Hamilton has won the Formula One British Grand Prix 2020 held on August 2.
दोस्तों, अगर आप अभी नए हैं तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। वीडियो अगर अच्छी लगे तो लाइक कर दीजिए, और कोई हेल्प चाहिए तो कमेंट कर दीजिए, और अगर पसंद आ जाए तो अपने फ्रेंड लोगों के साथ शेयर कर दीजिए।